It's a really good idea to connect your Google Analytics and your Google Search Console accounts together. By doing this, you are allowing data to flow between the two accounts. And this makes it much simpler and easier to understand how rankings and specific keywords impact organic performance and the user experience on your site. Now, luckily, this is very easy to do. So go ahead and pull up your Google Analytics account and log in, and let me show you how. Now, a couple of things that are important to know. Search Console is going to keep data for the past 16 months. This means that the SEO reports in Analytics is going to show a maximum of 16 months worth of data. Now, the second important thing to note is that once you connect the two accounts, it can take up to 48 hours for the data to start to appear. So don't panic if you don't see data right away.
In order to connect the two accounts from our Google Analytics account, we're going to go to the bottom left corner and click on Admin. We will then come to the middle column called Property and select Property Settings. You can then scroll down to the Search Console section there, and you'll be able to connect your account by selecting the view that you want to see and clicking Save. Now, while the data will not be available immediately, once they have connected, you can come over to the Acquisition section of your dashboard and you will see a Search Console option here. This is going to give you the landing pages, countries, devices, queries that we looked at. And if you haven't looked at the Google Search Console complete walkthrough that I did, I will link to that below so you can see how to access all this information, Google Search Console, what it actually means, how to analyze it, how to use it to grow your site. But something that is very helpful here is to come over to the query section so that you can see a list here of all of the top queries that people are using to find your website. And you can also see the top landing pages. And these are all the primary pages that are driving the most traffic to your website. So this is where you will start to be able to see your Google Search Console data right inside your Google Analytics dashboard.
And if you have any questions about this process at all, go ahead and drop those down in the comments. So I hope this helps. If it did work for you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more SEO and digital marketing tips, and I'll catch you on the next one.